guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I am unboxing a swap here from a Facebook group that I'm in, and it was a loaded pocket swap or a loaded envelope swap. I just opened it up here and I'm going to pull the goodies out. And I have a note here. I'm just going to read that quick. Okay, so this is from Amy Medlin. Oh, she's so sweet. Okay, so like I said, it was for a loaded envelope, and the first thing I saw, I am so excited for these, Amy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My Dollar Tree never carried the rub-on transfers, so I am so excited that you sent these. That is awesome. Thank you, thank you. And it looks like this is the loaded pocket, and it looks like this is just some goodies. So let me open my goodies first. To start off, there is this super cute chunky charm on here. It's got a little bat charm, and then it's got a really cute little heishi bead and faceted bead dangle here. And then this one says Eek, and these are the wood square beads. I love these. These have like a silver sparkle in there. I don't know if you guys can pick that up on camera, but that is so neat. And then the black and the green together are awesome. So Amy, thank you so much for that. She did say that the Pez dispenser was new. She just didn't fit with the packaging in here. So it's cute little pumpkin Pez. That's such a cute little add-on. Then she's got two little stickers here. These are Michael's, I believe, and they are the Sparkle Pumpkins and then the Sparkle Word Boo. I don't have either of these. These are so nice. Thank you, Amy. Then here are some, oh, that is such a neat color. It's like a light yellow, almost like a tan color, or just a really, really faint gold. I love those. Those are little gemmies. And then her little Pez goodies are in there. And then she sent two little potion bottles from Dollar Tree. So Ghost Breath and Rabid Wraps. Those are so cute. Thank you, Amy. Oh, and Eye of Newt. Sorry, this one was in there too. I did not get this one, so that's awesome. They look so cool just set up. Okay, she's got this awesome iridescent bag that everything's in, and it's got orange tulle tying it shut. All right, so I'm gonna take that out. I'm just gonna make sure you guys are in frame here. I'm gonna save both of those. Okay, so it looks like a little ghosty came off of somewhere. I will figure out where that goes. That is not a problem. So let me start. Oh, look at this little pick. That is so cool. So it's a little like foiled spider web. Then it's got some chipboard, a little banner flag, another little charm. That one is so cute. That's a spider in the spider web. I've never seen that before. And then just this tiny little black faceted bead on there, topped off with a pom-pom. So, so cute. Here's a little pumpkin pick. Oh, this is neat. This is like a just a tag, but it looks like a moon. Love that glittery moon. That's really cool, Amy. Okay, so the first thing, oh, here's another pick. That one's a cat. Love this. This is a die cut. Look at that. Oh, I think the ghost was on here, so I can just put that back on there. Yep, that's where that came from. Look at this die cut. That's so fun. That is so fun. I absolutely love that. Oh my gosh, look at the detail. Like she used little diamond dots, like in the black oil slick kind of pattern down there on the boots. Such a fun detail. Oh my gosh, and this bag. Did you make this envelope? Look at, she punched all of these eyelets in there. That is so cool. And then this awesome crystal ball bead. That is really neat. I'm just looking at that. I wonder if you could make that with like a spacer bead and then a crystal. Did you make this, Amy? I think she did because it's wire wrapped. So she did make this. That is really neat. Really, really neat. This is my favorite thing to get. I love getting die cuts. I don't have any of these. Amy, thank you so much. These are gonna be perfect for making embellishments. And look at again with the diamond dot detail. I have these and I never use them. Gosh, these are awesome. Oh my gosh, and there's so many layers here. So it's the word spooky, then she's got the eyeballs have 4 layers each. That is so neat. Thank you so much for sending those. Oh, this is really cool too. Amy, I love everything. Look at these bows. That is like a, what kind of fabric is that? It's like almost like a, it's not grosgrain. It's not a cotton. It's almost like a silk. These colors are so beautiful. So perfect for Halloween. I'm definitely going to use these. Oh, I love that. And it's like a, they're all double bows. That's even more, because this one is 2 layered. Are they, they're triple bows. I absolutely love these. Amy, thank you so much. That's really neat. Look at the, I don't know if you can tell the type of material that it is. It's almost like, it feels kind of like a silky, maybe a linen. I'm not quite sure, but I absolutely love that. And then look at here, she put her little candy corns. Just, I know how tedious paper piecing is, so just to make these little candy corns and add those dots on there, that's amazing, Amy. Thank you so much. All right, then in here, we've got this, oh, look at that beautiful spider web. That's got silver diamond dots on it. Those are really neat, and the little spider. Then she's got another one of these purple bows on here. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, look at that. It's like he's making a little spider web. That is so cute. How do you do that? Is this a die? That is so fun. Look at, you just pull it and it brings the candy out. And then you push it back in and it pulls that string back in. Like, I'm fascinated by this. That is so cool. So the string is down there, so you must build it out. I've never seen that before. That is so cool. Look at that. I love that, Amy. Thank you. Oh, here's some more. This is a chipboard piece, the 31. Oh, wow, and that is at least double layered, maybe triple layered, because it's really thick. And she's got a spider web. This is a cool doily here. Some silver leaves there. Some homemade flowers. That's neat. Whatever this paper is, it is almost like a foil. Like, I feel like you can bend it. Either that or it's just a really thick cardstock. Oh, that's so cool. I love that tag so much. And it's a coffin-shaped tag, you can tell. Love that, Amy. Ah, look at this little witch hat, or little spooky hat. That is so cute, and it's on a straw. Very cute add-on there. Some little Halloween pencils, again, with these candy corns. That is so detailed. Thank you so much. And then, what do we have in here? Oh, another little witch die cut. That is cool. That's like this one here. That's neat. And then she's got a cute little belly band on it, and this is a cupcake liner. That looks so neat behind there. That's really neat. That slides off. Oh, and this is like an envelope die too, made out of cardstock. Oh, and there's rosettes. So fun. Oh my gosh, I love these. Look at those cute little characters on there. Trick or treat time. Look at this dog. It's a little skeleton dog. Batty for you. The bat has googly eyes. I love your use of textures, Amy. You can see she's got the tulle and the thread on there. This is a sequined thread too. There's little sequins in there. Here's the little boy, so I'm here for the booze. And this little girl, too cute to spook. Oh, and look at, she has the Tim Holtz die, and here's the little spider coming down. Those are really cute. Thank you so much, Amy. This was such a fun swap. Unfortunately, in this swap, we don't send back and forth to each other. Amy sent to me and I sent to somebody else, so Amy doesn't get to receive mine back. But thank you, Amy. You knocked it out of the park with all of these. I can tell that you put a lot of time into it, and I appreciate that so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.